Hey guys, I'm Heatherly and you're watching LogicBulb, and in this video I'm gonna tell you how to make a DIY 20,000 mAh power bank for just 10 bucks, and it's really easy. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So what we need for this is first 2 6-cell used laptop battery. I got this pair for only 3 bucks from my local market. I'll drop eBay link where you can get these for cheap too. You can also use 1 9-cell laptop battery. Now what we need to do is open this up, and there is no perfect way to do this. So you will need to rack this up to get the cells from inside. I used a plier to do so. It took some time, but I finally got the cells out. Now after doing so, do the same for the other battery. After you've gotten all the cells out, disconnect them from each other and test each cell, and separate good cells from the bad ones. Lucky for me, all the cells I got were in good condition. Now as we will be having 12 cells and we only need 8, so pick 8 cells with the highest capacity. After you have separated them, you will need this DIY power bank case that has the power bank circuit in it. I bought this one from Banggood for just 7 bucks. It has 2 USB in and 2 USB out for charging itself and charging phones, plus 2 LED lights at the top and an LCD screen for telling how much battery is remaining. I'll drop the link for it in the description below. Now place the batteries in the case and be careful while doing so, as you wouldn't want to place the cells in the wrong polarity, because that will burn the circuit as well as the cells too. Marking for the polarity are given on the case. After you have placed the cells in the power bank, close the case. Place the LCD cover on and charge this beast up, and there you go, you just created your own power bank in a fraction of a new branded power bank's price. My power bank charges in 7 hours and can charge my phone 3 to 4 times, as the capacity of my phone's battery is 3000 mAh. So 3 to 4 times is quite good for just 10 bucks. I hope you liked this video. Click that thumbs up if you did. Comment down what else do you want to see. Share this video with your friends. That's it for this one. Thank you for watching and goodbye.